All right, let's create a little video for this, and that is trying to see into the future and what will price action look like based off what you may already know through your quick start guide and watching Zoom. So here's the chart I gave you to print out. Price is going down, and this is where price went. So I'm telling you where price went, and I want you to predict what does it do to get there. All right, so the first thing you have to do is draw your lines, and I went ahead and drew them in there. So let's look here for a second. So we have this back side, we have this front side, we have this break level. It's a very clear peak. Those are very clear levels. Now, you might say, well, what about this back side, George? And I'd say, well, I'm going to move this. I considered this already tested. So this price here already bounced off the back side. So one of my rules is I will not play a front side level, which is this one, unless the backside had a nice bounce. The nice bounce is an important part of that. I want it to have a nice bounce. So this backside had a nice bounce. So I'm going to probably be interested in this front side. We have 2 candle clearance on this backside. So we appear to be laddering down. We've taken out a couple break levels. This would be a good short. Let's press play. We know price is going all the way up here. Already told you. So we'll go candle by candle here. And there would have been your entry. If you front ran it, you would have needed to front run it 2 ticks. And remember, anything within 3 ticks, I consider tested. So that level is now already tested, and it had a decent bounce, didn't it? So if I miss the backside, I'm probably going to take this front side, but with smaller leverage because I'm shorting into the inside the action. As you saw how it divided that candle up, it touched and dropped. You did very nice, and a couple more candles there as well. All right, what's he going to do off the break level? Touching, little bounce. Made money. All right, so what are we going to do next if I told you this is the target? We're going to head up there, and most likely we're going to bounce off this level. This is seeing into the future. Several chess moves ahead. And there you go. There's your touch bounce. Took a little heat. I'd have probably already been out. And then you have this. Now, as price is coming down here, this is not part of the homework, but where's it going to bounce next? Where is it going to bounce next? Let's say you were in this short. You took this short. Where is the most optimal place to get out of your short? It's going to bounce off this backside, most likely. So if you're in this short, the best spot to get out is right here because most likely it's going to have some kind of bounce. It's up to you. Maybe you get out of most of your contracts here because we know it's going to bounce, and you keep 1 or 2 back for maybe a bigger possible run. Let's just see what happens. And there's your bounce. Okay, so this is seeing several chess moves ahead, and this is what we do. This is the power of what we do. This is why you're here. Price action will no longer look random. All right. Have a happy Thanksgiving.